my name is Fim and this is Fim and Finch. Today I'm gonna show you guys a quick bathroom declutter and how I organize my bathroom. Okay, so I got a tiny situation here. It not look too good for me. It look quite messy, so I decided to put another shelf here. Matt will help me with that. I got some stuff over here. And right here on this side, it look not too bad because I did organize them a couple months back. Okay, so now I got everything out here. And we got the wood piece here, which is the one that we're gonna use for making the shelf. This one was $3 at Lowe's. It was longer than this, but we got it cut into the side of our sink. And this is the corner piece to make it hold up, and this is the label. So let's see.
You did this. This is Fim and Finch. And,
I did that.
Oh, it's still Fim and Finch, but now it's actually Finch, not just Fim anymore.
So Matt is here to install the shelf for me.
First I gotta go in and make marks about where it is, and she wants to get higher than the spot, so I'm gonna draw a little line a little bit higher than the box. I can't seem to be getting down. I'm going to turn that off now, put it here.
Alright, do that. I'm gonna cut you.
Oh, it's gonna hurt. Don't do a thing.
5 minutes later.
No, she got the bitch.
It's a little bit.
Excuse my language. She got that bitch out.
That's what I pull out. And from under your skin.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
Okay, so now my quick declutter is done. I have my makeup remover here, some of my makeup here, and some of my makeup here, nail polish in here, and some of the travel side is in here, and the max is here. Back here I have all the hair clip in that container, and that is more the tester and the travel side. Moving on down here, I have my hair dryer and my hair roller in this thing, and body lotion or perfume and cologne back here in this bin. I have my pad here, that's in a small container, and more pad here in the bigger container. This bin have all my hair products and hair coloring here, and my contact lens cleaner. And right here is all the body care. So basically that is it. Moving on to the other one. I didn't do anything much here, so I just put all the toothpaste and toothbrush together. All the laser, the new laser in here, new laser here, soap in that one, mouthwash and shaving cream here because I have only one shaving cream. Then the travel kit, soap bar. In this basket, just miscellaneous stuff and the extra Q-tip, and spray, and extra toilet paper. Over here we have all the nail cutter and the laser that Matt used since his side, and his deodorant and his comb. And I already have the miller in here. And right here on this side I have all my dental stuff, teeth whitening, for whatever here. This is what it looked like. We have this one for the cotton pad. We have that one for the Q-tip, so it's easier. And that is the soap holder, which I made it myself.